this is my closet. I'm so excited because I have a new box to my channel. It's called the Introverted Chick. I've seen this on quite a few YouTubers, and I'm like, but I'm not introverted. I'm just kind of, but the last time I saw the box, it's like, I need that box. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. Thumbs up if you like it. And of course, if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, I want to say with shipping, I think this was one that charges shipping. It might be about $35, but as always, I will leave a link below that'll either flash across the screen or just be below. And if I can find a discount code or coupon code, I'll leave that as well. I know we're getting into the fall season now that Halloween has passed. Probably planning for Thanksgiving and having your family out. I won't be seeing my family this year. My son is still in Chicago, and my daughter, Germany. So it'll just probably be myself and Dennis, and we'll stop by and see my mom and sister. So when you open it up, it's got a card. It says, thank you. I hope you enjoy your October box. Love, Sarah. Oh, how cute. It's my daughter-in-law's name. And Sarah must be the owner. She is the chick in charge. So this must be everything that's in the box. So I'm going to put that aside. And it comes very nicely wrapped. Lots of paper. And the first thing is a food item. You can never get too many food items in boxes. It's by Buddha Bowl Food, Himalayan Pink, Organic Popcorn. I have to find out if it's actually pink. You know that'll be a mess. The next thing is a notepad, and it says notes. Now, I did, just unbox my confetti collection, which loads you up with notepads. But this is a nice one because it's slim, and it'll fit alongside the desk or your nightstand. So this is a nice one. And, oh my goodness, I opened a piece of tissue and a bunch of things came out. There is a pen that says the Introverted Chick. So it'll go nice with my notepad. And a scrunchie. Can never get too many of those. And we have Larabar apple pie. Just 6 ingredients, the original fruit and nut food bar. I will tell you, it could probably break a window, but I'll give it a try. And pure and natural, unscented, pure energy, natural body lotion. Something to throw in your purse. That's a nice size. So yeah, this is turning out to be a fun box. And I think there's one more thing, a couple more things. Then the mystery package. Oh, is it a book? So there's this card in here that says, must be an autographed of whatever this book is from, Katie Vaz, The Escape Manual for Introverts. So it's got all these neat things in here, and it looks nice. So I look forward to giving this a read. Sorry, I'm dropping things all over the floor. And there's a bookmark curl up with a good book and a little animal on there. And, oh, some more goodies. Decaf pumpkin spice and cinnamon apple. So a couple little tea things for when you're reading your book. And, oh, looks like a tray. Does this come out? Sorry as I play. But look at this nice tray. But this is what's inside. And it looks like it goes with the book. It's the same person on the bottom. So that's a very nice tray. You can lay your book in my little tea bags. So, wow, what a nice little box. So let's see how much everything values at. Don't put the pricing for these items, but they do talk about them in here. So if you want more information, and oh, and it looks like they have the trays come in different patterns, but I'm kind of liking that tray. It'll be great with a candle or something on there. And it's got the names of, you know, all the different products in there so you can check them out. And so I like this box. Let me know what you think if you get this box. Leave comments below. Again, I will flash the price of this box below and a link to it. And please comment, comment, comment. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.